Continental food Ndioma.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to unbox African food stuff straight from Nigeria. Look at this. This is about 75 kg of African food stuff, and in here I have a lot of goodies. African food stuff, original African food stuff. So if you're in Nigeria watching this video, you want to watch this video to the end, because in this video you're going to get a lot of information on how I bought my African food stuff, how I ship it from Nigeria to the UK, or how you can ship yours to any country that you live, as long as you live abroad. Yes, I have the agent that will do it for you. So I'm going to give you all the details in this video, so you want to watch to the end. But before I start unboxing the African food stock, I want you to do something for me. If you're new here, you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, also leave your comment, if possible share this video with your friends and family. So let's get started. It didn't come like this. They wrap it in the green bag, but to save time I had to unwrap the green bag, to save time. So it's wrapped with sellotape and box is well secured. So now I'm going to open it so that you can see what is there. Are you excited like me? Do you love African food stuff? If you love African food stuff, let me know. Oh my god. Hey. Oh my god. Woo. This is Abacha. Hey. Guys, this is Abacha. Abacha is cassava, like cassava. They will boil it, but not boil it all the way through, boil it halfway, then shred it. So what I'm going to do is open it to show you what is Abacha. If you want to make African salad, this is what you need, Abacha. Because I know some people watching me, they are not Nigerians, so I have to really show you what Abacha look like.
Is the best. They are the best. Continental food is the best.
So let's go.
Cake is the best. They are the best.
So guys, this is what Abacha looks like. I hope you're seeing it. As I said before, it's cassava. All of us know cassava. Cassava, they peel the skin of the cassava, boil the cassava halfway. So if you're supposed to boil the cassava like 20 minutes, you boil it like 10 minutes. Then they use something like a grater and shred it. There's different shapes. Some people use a knife and cut it, but this one is, I think they use a grater to shred it. And this is what it looks like. See? So this is what it looks like. Abacha is white, not white. It's like, will I say cream color or off-white? So before I use this, or before you use this Abacha, you have to soak it in a warm water, wash it before you now use it to make the Abacha himself. So I have a lot of it because I've run out of it, so I have a lot. So this is a Titashe. It's dry Titashe. So this is dry Titashe. So Titashe is bell peppers, like the red bell peppers. They dry it up. Yeah, so it's dry. You can't dry it in the UK because in the UK all the time it's raining and it's cold. So I always buy from Nigeria. I use it to make some stew, some soup. So this is Titashe, and this is what Titashe look like. So that's Titashe here. So guys, I'm not going to open this. This is crayfish. I'm going to put a picture of crayfish because crayfish is very dusty. So this is crayfish, grounded crayfish, because you cannot bring crayfish that is not ground from Nigeria. If it's not ground, they will not carry it. So if you're bringing your crayfish, make sure you grind it. So this is crayfish. I'm going to tell you so this is crayfish. I'm going to tell you how much I bought a bag of crayfish, because this is a bag of crayfish that I bought and they grind it for me. So stay tuned, yeah? And also comment if you know what is crayfish. Crayfish, what we use crayfish to do is that anytime we're cooking African soup, you can't cook any Nigerian soup without adding crayfish, except you're making stew. Even some people add crayfish to their stew, so it's very delicious. When you're cooking any soup, you have to add crayfish to give you that local taste. It adds a lot of flavor. It has this unique taste that it adds to your soup, and you just take your soup to another level. You can't cook that is Nigerian soup without crayfish. Even pepper soup, you have to add crayfish. That's how good crayfish is. So I'm going to open this box now. So Let's see what is here. Oh. Guys, I have hay fever, so that is killing me. Ooh, there's a lot. See, look at this. Look at this box. Oh, it's a lot, like a lot. See? So this bag is full of pepper. You know, dry pepper. I don't want to start sneezing. It's pepper, but I'm going to show you guys. So what I do is that there are some soup I want to cook. I don't like to use fresh pepper. I like to use, you know, grinded pepper. So pepper is, you know, it's pepper, dry pepper. They dry it in the sun. They grind it, and you see. So this is pepper. I hope you can see it. Grinded pepper, and I have it a lot, like a lot, yeah, because I love pepper, you know. So with pepper, everybody know pepper. Now you add pepper to your food, you just add flavor and, you know, make it spicy. So here is pepper. Pepper. Do you want to buy pepper? So what is here? What is here? Oh no. I can't laugh enough. Oh. Each time I see alligator pepper, I laugh a lot because of my friend. So I have alligator pepper. So this is what it looks like. So this is alligator pepper, and this is bitter cola. Bitter cola is very medicinal. For this alligator pepper is very hot. Don't play with this. So it's very hot and also medicinal. In the UK, in African shop in the UK where I live here, they sell 1 for £1. That is, it's very expensive here. It's 1 for £1. So that's why I always buy it. Whenever I want to, you know, buy African food stuff, I just, you know, order for it, because sometimes I just love to chew it. If I have a sore throat, I don't have any claim to it. If anytime I have sore throat, I just chew it and it helps me. So in here I have dry iru. Iru is Locos Beans. So with this again, we use it to cook, and it's not cheap here, it's very expensive. So I asked for the dry one, and this is what it looks like. So with this one, all I need to do is to wash it with warm water and use it to cook, and it makes your food taste so delicious. Guys, there's so many things you can cook with this. You can cook this with a wisi. You can cook it with a foriro. I can't cook a foriro without iru. No. I have to add it. And the English name is Locos Beans, and it makes your food taste delicious. It takes your food to another level. So if you're not a Nigerian and you love Nigerian food, maybe you should try this. It's called Locos Beans, and it makes your food taste so delicious. I also have another iru here. So this one is, sometimes they make it in this shape. Let me show you. See, look at that. That's also iru. In the outside land, we call it dawa dawa, but the Yoruba, they call it iru. The English name is Locos. It's the same thing with that one. It's just that this one was, you know, molded, yeah, and it's not as dry as that one. It's not as dry as that one, so it's the same thing. It has a strong smell, but trust me, this takes your food to another level. Most especially if you're making a foriro, yeah, a foriro. So in here, I have suya pepper, or called suya spice. So suya spice is made of kuli, ginger, garlic, and some secret ingredients. Yeah. So, oh my god, I tasted it, so it's making me cough. I just want to know whether it tastes delicious, and it does taste delicious. Custard paint. So that's what is in here. Suya spice. So let me, you know, show you. Suya spice. So you use it to make suya. Suya is, you know, you get your beef or you get your chicken, add this, add maybe chicken seasoning, and you're good to go. It tastes delicious, guys. So guys, in here I have opeye. You can use opeye to make ogbono soup. There's other soup you use it to make, but mainly people use it to make ogbono soup. So it's a local seasoning, like our grandmother. Some of our grandmother, they don't use Maggi, all this chicken seasoning, non-cube, they don't use it. This is their main seasoning that they use. This is what it looks like. Opeye is still made from dawa dawa, but different process. They ferment it. It's a long process. I don't know how to make it. So normally I buy it from Nigeria, and there's a lot here. So I'm going to, you know, to preserve this, you just keep it in your freezer. I keep it in my freezer because that's the only way it lasts longer for me. So that's Opeye here. Ogiri. Do you want to buy Ogiri? Ogiri. Eh? Do you want to buy Ogiri? So in here, guys, I have Ogiri. Hey, Ogiri. See, Ogiri is I think it's made from egusi. Yeah, I think they have other ways they make a ogiri, but I know ogiri is made from egusi seed. You know, egusi seed that is rotten. They do one or two things. Ogiri, you can't cook olubu soup without ogiri. As in, you can't cook olubu soup without ogiri. So if you want to cook real olubu soup, if you don't add, at least depending on the quantity of the olubu soup you're cooking, then you can now add. Some people add 1 teaspoon. A little goes a long way. That it just takes your olubu soup to another level. Or if you're cooking oha, oh my god, you don't play with this. It's called ogiri. Ogiri. I don't want to. It's so messy. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if the camera can see it. It's like gray in color and it's delicious. Like, so next up, I have dry ugu. Everybody know ugu. So if you're a Nigerian, you know ugu. If you're not a Nigerian, what are you waiting for? Go to our shop and get your ugu and cook your egusi soup. So this is dry ugu. Sometimes I like to have dry ugu in my house. Here in the UK, we get fresh ugu, but it's not something you get every day. Sometimes they bring it here once a week. So it's a nice thing, or it comes in handy to have the dry one available in the house, so that whenever I want to cook, I don't have to start waiting for a fresh ugu. So this is ugu leaf, and this is what it looks like. Dry ugu leaf. Ugu leaf, we use it to cook egusi soup. In short, ugu leaf is very versatile. Egusi soup, odikaiko, ogbono soup, name it. You can use it to cook almost all the soup. I think the only soup you cannot use it to cook is olubu and oha soup, because olubu you have to use bitter leaf and oha you have to use oha leaf. Apart from that, it is versatile. So here I have Uttazi. So this is Uttazi. Let me open it, guys, and show you what Uttazi looks like. Uttazi is a leaf that is a bit. Uttazi is a leaf that is a bit bitter, but it's not bitter. It has this tangy bitter taste to it, but it's not as bitter as bitter leaf. So here I have the dry one. So with this Uttazi leaf, you can use it to, you know, when you're making nkwobi or isiewu, you cannot make nkwobi or isiewu without Uttazi leaf. So here I have the dry one, and this is what it looks like. Dry Uttazi. This takes your nkwobi or isiewu to another level. Without Uttazi, no, how can you make isiewu without Uttazi? So here I have Uttazi. I have 2 bags of Uttazi, so I'm well prepared for the year. So here is Uttazi, here is Uttazi, so I'm not going to run out soon. So I have a lot. Then I also have bitter leaf. Oh my god, this bitter leaf is specially made for me. Hi, I have a lot of people that love me. So this bitter leaf is made for me from Anambra Ekulobia, Ebedim, Dimoma, Mamamu, Nedim Potaronians. I'm speaking my language. So this bitter leaf is from Nigeria. So what happened is that they bought it for me and they got somebody to wash it for me, because the one in the market is very dirty. It's very sunny. But this one is clean and clean. So here I have bitter leaf. Bitter leaf is a bitter leaf, yeah. So you wash it because it's too bitter for you to use it like that. So most of the time you wash it until you reduce some of the bitterness, and you can use it to cook ofolubu. Yeah. You can use it to cook egusi soup or ogbono soup. I think the only soup you can't use bitter leaf to cook is maybe oha soup or dikaiko or eforiro. Most of the soup you can just add this and it takes your soup to another level. It has this bitter taste, but after it has a bitter taste and also have this sweet taste from the bitter taste. That's the only way I can explain it. I have palm oil or called red oil. This is 25 liter of palm oil, but guys, it's created, so I don't want to waste your time. And yeah, you know, it's going to take me time to, you know, remove the nails and all that, but I'm going to show you what palm oil looks like. If you're a Nigerian, already you know what is palm oil or red oil. So this is my leftover that I have at home. Palm oil, we use it to cook most Nigerian soup. Yes, you just add it to it. It adds a lot of flavor and also adds, you know, color to your soup. You know, makes it look colorful. Yeah. So guys, let me tell you the price, some of the price of the things I bought. I'm not going to tell you all the prices, but the ones that I have here, yeah, because they send me some of the price. So the palm oil is 19,000 naira, but remember, this 90,000 naira is from the east, so the price might change when you go to Lagos, because you know, when you buy it in the east, you have to now transport it to Lagos because you cannot ship from the east. So remember that 19,000, and the price changes. So you might go to the market. The one they bought for me 2 months ago or 3 months ago was 23,000. So it goes up, it goes down depending on what you get in the market. Dry Titashe is something like this, so it's 4,000 naira a paint. That's what they bought it for me, 4,000 naira a paint. And when it comes to the pepper, hot pepper, because I bought Titashe for paint, hot pepper is 5,000 naira, dry hot pepper. That's not including the grinding money. They're going to charge you separate to grind it, so get that in mind. I'm just letting you know, if you want to send your loved one to the market, or you want to send any of your family to the market, they might come and tell you, oh, I grind it for this amount, and you'll be wondering why. So there's different charges for grinding, because those who grind it are different people. So when it comes to suya spice, so my suya spice, so the suya spice, I bought a paint for 6,500. Suya spice is expensive. Yeah, it is expensive. I've not bought suya spice before in paint. Normally I get it from maybe the suya men, but I couldn't get one, so I had to buy from the market. So it's 6,500. So like Ogiri and dawa, depending on the price you want to buy. That one, they bought Iru for me, is 2,000 naira for Dirika. Iru, that is the Locos Beans, is 2,000 naira for Dirika. Then the crayfish, a bag of crayfish from Onitsha, not from Lagos, is 45,000 naira. 45,000 naira, that's the price of crayfish. So this is crayfish. So this is what a bag, after grinding it, this is what it looks like. So it's 45,000 naira. When it comes to Abacha, I cannot give you the price of Abacha, because they bought the Abacha and my family people did it for me, my sister-in-law, so she made it, so I can't give you price for that. So that's it for the unboxing African food stock. And when it comes to the agent I use, I'm going to put the number of the agent. Is reliable. I use him all the time. He's just reliable. See, this video is not sponsored. He's not paying me. I paid him my money. If you want, I send you the screenshot. I paid him everything. But when somebody is good, why not talk about them? So he's a good guy. I'm going to put his number there, and also I'm going to put the number of the guy who brought my goose from Manchester to my doorstep. So you see, so wherever you live in the UK, your goods can come to you, or you have the option of going to the office and pick it up. So that's it for the video. I hope this video is informative. I hope you've learned one or two things. Yes, food is very, very expensive. It is expensive now, so don't be surprised when your family or your friend goes to the market and the price changes. I'm telling you, it's changing every day. So for now, this is the price I bought mine. So leave your comment, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to be shipping your own African food stuff, or have you tried it before? What is it like? Do you have any better option? If you have any better option, write it down in the comment section. Before I leave this video, or before I go, I want to say thank you to all the people that made this possible. All the people that made this possible. My family member, my extended family, my sister-in-law, my mother-in-law, my mother, my friends. Oh my God, my friend in Lagos, Andrew. Oh my God, he's amazing. This guy is amazing. He's so busy. He has his own job, but each time I beg him, he's always there for me. I really appreciate you. Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. And thank you to you that you're watching me. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, so that they'll learn how to ship their African food stuff from Nigeria. I'm going to leave you all here. I love you all. My name is Joy, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.